1, 2, eyes on
you.
Very good. Well, yesterday we learned with Ms. Zeta about water and some properties or ways that we can identify water. So I kind of want to just do a really quick review of anything that you can remember that you learned from yesterday.
I learned that when it's raining, the water comes from the clouds.
Okay.
I learned that water is not only a liquid.
Not only a liquid, that's very good. Can you tell me what else it could be?
Solid and a gas.
Solid and a gas. That was very good. And you?
Water could be from like when you sweat and water come out.
Oh, okay. You can perspire or sweat, like you said. That's very good. And do you remember the materials that we worked with yesterday?
Yes.
We
used oil yesterday.
And what did we use to find out?
Paper towels.
Paper towel.
Wax paper. Aluminum foil.
Aluminum foil. And what happened when the water hit the surface?
Paper.
And computer paper. And what did we discover when the water touched
When the water touched the paper towel, the water started to spread.
And do you remember the other word that we used that it does that?
Observation.
Observation? Almost. Soap. Okay, do you remember the word? It starts with an A. I give you a hint. It starts with an A. Yes, say it really loud. Absorb. You said it. It was very good. It absorbs. So we learned that water can absorb some materials better than others. And what did we discover? Which material didn't absorb the water?
The aluminum foil.
And what else?
The wax paper.
You guys are awesome. I'm so excited.
Because both of them move the water.
What happened with the aluminum foil when the water touched the aluminum foil?
It stayed in the same spot. And when you put them, the water droplets started to get bigger and bigger.
And the wax paper, what it started doing with the wax paper?
It started to get bigger like the aluminum foil.
It started to get bigger and bigger.
And it started to show the table.
Oh yeah.
It almost tried to make a bubble.
A bubble. That's such a great word that you said, a bubble. And I'm glad that you said it because now we're going to be talking about another property
of water.
Okay, we're going to still be talking about water, but we're going to talk about something a little bit. Yeah, like this is water. Look at that. We learned also that water can stay in a container and that it doesn't have a form, but if it's inside of the container or something, it becomes the shape of the whatever it is inside, right?
And so, like when you see a fountain, like that water.
Like that water, exactly. So today, instead of working with wax paper or aluminum foil, we're going to be working with a penny, and we're gonna see what happens when we put water on a penny.
It's like when it's like float or drops in.
Okay.
And like
you're so smart.
It's like light and heavy.
You're light and heavy. Okay. What were you gonna say?
I was gonna say that why does his face, the penny's face, is facing that way in the other?
His profile? I don't know. That's a good question. But that's something that we can definitely look into next time when we're talking about pennies. But today we're gonna still talk about water.
I got it. Because that's the dirtiest penny.
That's the dirtiest penny.
No, because he freed the slaves.
Abraham Lincoln. Wow, you're smart. Well, that's social studies. Today we're in science today, but when we do social studies, we'll talk about that then.
The picture on that penny is Abraham Lincoln.
Yes, it is. You guys are so smart. You guys are so smart. So let's focus back onto what we're talking about. We're talking about water. So today we're going to talk about another property of water called surface tension. Now, it's a little bit more difficult than what we were talking about yesterday, but I'm gonna show you something so you can identify what surface tension means. So, what I want you to do, because today we're gonna collect data. Do you know what data means?
It's like a tally mark. It's like tally mark.
You don't need me. You want to teach the class? You're doing great. So data means that you're gonna collect some information. We're gonna observe something, and we're gonna write down what we've seen, and that's what we're going to collect that, okay? And that's what we have a T-chart for. So today, I'm going to give you guys each a penny. And you're going to get a dropper.
Penny in a world.
And then what I want you guys to do, you have your pencils, right?
Yes. Second one.
Perfect. We're going.
Yeah.
Do you have another dropper? So today we're gonna drop some water using our droppers. Remember how we
squeeze
the top, right? And we're gonna try, and we're gonna see how many drops of water we can get on a penny. And every time we're dropping the water, we're gonna count it. So let's say, for example, I'm gonna do the first example. So I take some water, right? And I drop the water and I start counting. 1, 2, 3,
It turns to a bubble.
5, 6,
7, 8, 9, 10,
11,
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26,
up.
26.
26. So what was that? That was my first try, right? I'm gonna borrow your pen. So I'm gonna put 1 here. And how many drops did we get on the penny?
26.
26. So we're gonna do that 5 times. I'm gonna let you guys do that 5 times. And every time. Your penny's right there. Did I give you a penny?
Yes, I
Oh, you tricked me. You tricked me. So you guys are gonna do that 5 times. And whenever you keep counting until the water falls off the penny, okay? And then when that stops, you stop, you write down the first try, how many times, and you keep going up to 5 times. That was fun, right? So you guys get to try it now. So, but I want you guys to pay close attention to what's happening to the water when it hits the penny and what it looks like, okay? So while you're counting, also look at what you're doing, what's going on.
14.
Okay, so then you write down there.
15, 16.
Remember what we did? That was the first try.
17, 18, 19, 20, 25, 22,
that was the most close to
34.
Okay, so write down what you got.
Me and Jamar got 25. That's one time.
Okay, you're gonna try 4 more times, okay?
What do we do with the penny?
That's 25. I still got a little bit more.
Still want some more water?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try with you guys too.
It looks like mine is drowning.
Okay,
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Wait, hold on a second. That wasn't counting right. 20!
11, 12,
Write that down. So write
Let's
down
get it
that was
more
your
so that's
second
20.
try.
1, 2,
You guys are you guys noticing?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
You guys are noticing what's going on with the water on the penny, right? Keep that in your mind, okay? Keep what it looks like in your head, okay? Okay, you got 3 more times. What happened? What number did you stop to?
Maya, now you're cheating!
No, my water.
Let me see if I can find some paper towel.
Yeah, mine
So
stopped
making
at
a big
31.
mess.
Mine stopped at 31.
I had 36.
Hold on.
36? That was 2, right?
Yep, that was 2.
That was
Wait,
2.
that was 20, yeah. That was
Okay.
21.
No! Okay, it's alright.
2.
You guys are doing such a great job.
6, 7, 8,
4, 5,
11,
7,
13, 14,
8,
16,
9,
17,
10,
18.
Oh, yeah.
I don't care because I got 36 and 75.
It's not a competition, guys.
15.
You guys are doing great.
15.
15.
I forgot how much I have. 3.
You can do it over.
And that's 15.
Yeah.
Want to do it over?
Yeah.
10.
I forgot how
No,
much
fourth
I had.
one is 10.
Naya, I forgot how much I had.
If it makes it easier for you guys to count in your head, so that it won't distract the other counters, that always helps.
Great time. Original.
3,
Ew.
4,
Sound like 4.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
1,
16,
2,
17,
3,
18, 19, 20,
4,
21,
5,
22, 23,
6,
24,
8,
25,
9,
26,
10,
27,
11,
So you stop at 26.
27, 28, 29,
Uh-oh, 14. Okay,
30.
Let's start over. 22.
You gotta write that.
31.
31 and 22. Is that your last try? Okay, so she's
That's a
done.
14.
Put your name on the top.
I got 2 more left.
2 more to go. What number did you stop?
14.
14. Okay, you got 1 more to go, and she has 2
Okay.
more to go. Awesome. So just think about what happened to the water when it was landing on the penny, the shape that it was creating.
A circle.
Circle?
No, a
Okay.
semicircle.
Semicircle, okay.
The spray time.
No, spray time. Be careful with the water.
Okay, 4.
Alright, if you're done, put this back inside.
1,
Just put the penny inside. We're gonna get some paper towels to clean up. Okay, guys?
7.
My mom made a big one.
That's alright.